What's up, family? How you guys doing today? I'm here with Milky Tech, and today we are taking a look at the Marvo CM373 keyboard and mouse combo set. I want to say thanks to Marvo for sending this out to me to give you an honest review. Let's take a look at the packaging. But before we go on, if you guys enjoy this kind of content, smash that like button and hit subscribe. And link for this product will be in the description below. Hey guys, stay tuned to the end for a big announcement and a giveaway. Now let's get this done. Alright, so on the front of the packaging, we just have a picture of the product, a couple of shipping labels, the name, the name and the branding, and it's RGB, and the switches are red switches. Not much here, just it's born for gaming, and it is professional grade. And just some more for the naming on these two sides. Alright. Boom. On the back, we just have some technical specs, picture of the product with some more information about it. You have on-the-fly DPI switch, seamless gaming, you have full anti-ghosting, so you should be able to mash as many buttons together without the keyboard freaking out and not working. That's awesome. And an ergonomic wrist pad. I love wrist pads. So this keyboard is not a full keyboard. You do not have the numpad, but that's fine. We have 87 keys, it is mechanical, and there are red switches. Now there is a blue switch version of this. It is RGB, USB 2.0. Now for the mouse, we have an optical sensor that goes all the way up to 6400 DPI. That is insanely fast. It is rated for 3 million clicks. It is also RGB, and it is USB 2.0. Now, some other features this mouse and keyboard have is you got programmable drivers, 100% pure performance. Of course, you have multimedia control, full anti-ghosting. That's awesome. 6400 DPI, and you can go up in 6 DPI steps, so you get that granularity. Gaming design. Of course, the keyboard is backlit, and it is ergonomic. All right, so let's open it up. Knife out. Don't cut yourself. Got the tape here. Pop these two out. Boom. Boom. Flip around. Alright. So first thing first is we have the keyboard. But let's look at it in a minute. Let's put it to the side. Let's see what we have in this envelope. We have here a nice thank you letter from the CEO and their chief gamer. And we got stickers for days. And we have their contact information and their social media. And if you register, you get an extra year off warranty. That is awesome. So make sure to register this product. A product guide and a whole bunch of information. A little keychain. That's nice. Key puller. So if you want to have customizable keys, you could do that. Our wrist pad. And the mouse. Let's take a look at the keyboard. Okay. The keyboard looks nice. It is aluminum design with a nice little honeycomb shape to the back, which is pretty cool. Okay. The keys do feel a little bit different compared to my cherry red keys. These are a little bit less clicky, but will be great to test it against my Corsair keyboard. So we have our function multimedia keys up here. We got some macro keys embedded into our num keys. So I'm guessing this is like light speed control, brightness control, probably different modes, a function lock. You could lock the Win key, which is awesome, so you don't accidentally press it and minimize your game and then just die. Honestly, this is not too bad. It's a little bit soft, a little bit quieter, but okay. So on the back, we have some pop-ups to raise the key. Alright, that makes it so much better. Our cable is nice and braided, and our USB port. Our next thing we'll look at is our mouse. The mouse has the exact same design, but it is not aluminum like the keyboard. It is plastic. It is very, very lightweight, and it glides pretty easily. The mouse wheel feels good. Our DPI switch clicks, very clicky, right and left. And our sensor back here. And lastly, our wrist rest. Is it magnetic? It is not, but the rubber on it is pretty nice and it feels pretty comfortable. Alright, so let's plug it into the computer and play some games and compare it to my current setup, which what I am using right now is a Corsair K70 red switches and a Logitech G602 wireless gaming mouse. Alright, so far first impressions, it's not that bad. Let me just go ahead and lock that over here. The mouse feels, honestly, it feels easier to use than my Logitech mouse. It glides a lot smoother. It feels just better overall. I do like my Logitech mouse just for the size. It fits my palm nicer, but this isn't that bad. Kind of impressed. Alright, let's get into some games. Alright, so while we wait for the game to load, we could go through different modes. You press this button up here to switch all the key modes. You can go static, different colors, breathing, rainbow, kick or typing, it just lights up the whole keyboard. You can just make it go crazy. And you can control the back as well. That's awesome. And of course, somebody has to take my username. And there you guys have it, the Marvo CM373 keyboard and mouse combo. Now this combo is, I think, probably one of the best combos I have ever used. And for the price point and what you get, the value is really there. The keyboard experience is really nice. It's a little too soft for my liking, but it's something that I could get used to. The typing experience is not that bad, and the gaming experience is phenomenal. The mouse is super light, super smooth, and it glides nicely. It glides even better than my current setup. Now, am I going to mix and match? I'm not sure. I'm going to continue using this combo set for a little while and see if I like it. Will I go back? Well, you guys have to follow me and find out on my Instagram. A link for this product will be in the description below. And you guys, for that announcement, we've reached 700 subscribers, and thanks to you guys, we're doing another giveaway. We are gonna give what? Another $100. And guys, this is what you gotta do. You gotta comment on this video, like, and subscribe to this channel. Go to my Instagram, follow me there, like and comment on my recent post, and tag 4 friends. Doing so will enter you into our giveaway, and may the odds be in your favor. It's not every day a product puts a smile on your face, and using this really did put a smile on my face. If you guys enjoyed this content, smash that like, hit subscribe, and ring that bell so you get notified when I release my next video. If you guys have a question, a comment, or want to say hello, drop it in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.